Welcome to this video on GST Neural, an AI-powered solution designed to automate your GST filing. It replaces manual data entry and common errors, ensuring full compliance with the latest government portal schemas. The Neural Vision OCR engine features a zero-trust client sandbox, keeping your invoices secure in browser memory. It also includes built-in duplicate prevention by filtering rows based on unique transaction identifiers. With digital twin reconstruction, you can audit and refine parsed invoice data. You have granular control to modify numbers, dates, and counterparty details with real-time tax calculation updates. This platform turns unstructured PDFs and images into structured files. Instant OCR to Excel conversion allows you to aggregate records from both your active table and local background caches. To start your filing session, initialize the process by authenticating your GSTIN and selecting the appropriate return period. Next, use the Data Uplink to import multi-platform invoices and your OCR-generated Excel registries, bringing all your sales data into the platform. The Deep Scan feature performs AI validation and error cleanup. It verifies tax calculations against actual rates and segments HSN items into the correct B2B or B2C tables. Once validated, generate your GSTR-1 JSON file. This final commit step ensures your data is fully compliant with the government portal schema requirements. Log in to the official GST portal, navigate to your returns dashboard, and select the Prepare Offline option to proceed with your filing. Upload the validated GSTR-1 JSON file generated by GST Neural directly to the portal's offline upload section. Return to your dashboard and select Prepare Online to inspect the data and verify that all sections have been accurately auto-populated. Take a moment to audit your GSTR-1 tables for B2B, B2C, HSN, and document summaries to ensure everything is correct. After verification, follow the steps to generate the summary. Proceed to file, complete OTP authentication, and receive your successful ARN. Congratulations! Your GST filing is complete with 100% accuracy. Thank you for using GST Neural.